Okay, to make this project go a little faster today, I got my partner here, Cesar Cocolezzi from United Power as well. He's going to be assisting me. You see a full sheet of this 4x8 polyisocyanurate foil foam sheathing. And what we're going to do is we're going to start siding this ductwork up here, the supply trunk. First thing you do though, before you get going too fast, is you're going to have to look and say, okay, strategically, where am I going to put some pieces of foam, for some tape in the foam board? You're going to need your glasses for this and your breathing protection, because I'm going to be knocking down some dirt here. I'm using an old rag here just so that I can clean off some spots. So that I know that my tape, when I tape that up there on the ductwork, will stick. You're going to get a measurement. Cesar, this duct is 8 inches deep. This duct's 8 inches deep. I'd like you to go take that board off the side and cut that for me about 8.5 inches. I'd like it to hang down about 1/2 inch. It breaks easy enough, and you put this tape up here on top of your duct where you've cleaned. Only has to be about 3 or 4 inches long. Even flush with the top, and you'll notice that I left about 1/2 inch hanging down. The only thing really tricky about putting this material on is being certain to clean this duct off, because this tape, as sticky as it is, if it's trying to adhere to the dirt, it just won't stick, and these will fall down after a week or two. And then you'll be mad at me that I didn't tell you to clean it off first. The return air plenum, utilizing the floor joists between the floors, you can see it here. This does not have to be insulated. And the supply duct over here going out to a register, that we will insulate later in the project. What's really nice is when both sides of the supply trunk are exposed, but sometimes things aren't that nice. You'll have an I-beam in the way and you can't get through here. Notice I can get through here, but as I come down further down, it gets too tight and I can't do it. So what Cesar did is he cut me some pieces here that are a little shorter. We can pop them up in there and slide them the length of the ductwork so that we get both sides done. Okay, now we're going to work with the bottom. We're going to insulate the bottom. And we're going to focus in. You'll notice I came down about 1/2 inch because that's the width of our material. We've now put in the little spacers all the way down the I-beam. So we have both sides insulated. And it looks like we're going to need a sheet about 24 inches wide, Cesar, to start going down the bottom of this trunk line here. You can see, even at my ripe old age of 56, I'm not having any difficulty handling this stuff on a step ladder. See how nice and easy it is on this side where we came down an extra ½ inch. Just pop that in and hold it into place. You'll notice in the supply trunk, we actually have a register for down here in the basement. The board goes by. Real simple thing. Just take your knife, cut it out. Sometimes, unfortunately, between the return air and the supply trunk, we can't get this type of material wedged up in between. It's just a little too tight. This is material that you may have used in presentations and charts at work. It's called foam core. And I really like it because it will slide up in between and we can insulate.